Okay, moving on to geography. Get your maps out, and we're going to be looking at the continent of Africa, but we're going to be looking more at South Africa, down at the bottom, so south. So we're going to go through Southern Africa. So we have South Africa, Lesotho, Botswana, Mozambique, and Namibia. So one more time, let's go over them one more time, and I'll have you listen to the lady just to make sure you're getting the right pronouncing, because I'm not great at it.
Week 24, Southern Africa, South Africa, Lesotho, Botswana, Mozambique, Namibia.
Namibia. Okay, so now let's go to Africa. And I want you to look at these. Right at the very bottom in the light green, you'll see it's South Africa. Then you have the tiny dot inside of South Africa. That is Lesotho. Then on the outside over here, on the very edge, right over here, is Mozambique. Then inside the dark green is Botswana. And then over here in the light is Namibia. Okay, so that's South Africa. And we just talked about South Africa in our history sentence about the apartheid. So it all connects. So now we're going to go over what we would all be missing if we didn't have power. And it's so important that we do, and we're so thankful because there are a lot of countries who don't have power, like a lot of countries in South Africa. And this is called what units are used to measure electricity. We have ohms, they measure resistance. Volts measure voltage. Amps measure current. And watts measure power. So right down here. So we have ohms, volts, amps, and watts. Okay, so review those. So you have to know. Ohms measure resistance. Volts measure voltage, volts and voltage. Amps measure current. So think of amps and current. And watts are the power.